Welcome back. This is Ramaz and it's me, Priska Joseph. We discussed chapter 2 polynomial very well, and now we are moving to our chapter 3, which is pair of linear equation in two variable. Before moving to our class, if you are watching my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your comments are valuable for me, so please comment below. Now, we sound familiar with the term linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial with a degree 1 is said to be linear polynomial. So, 2x plus 4. Let this is a polynomial with a degree 1 and it is said to be a linear polynomial. Okay. Then what is a linear equation? Linear equation is a mathematical expression in which the variable term has a power of 1. Okay, is it clear? So, 2x plus 4 is equal to 0 and this is said to be a linear equation. Here the constant term is there and this is a variable term and which has a power 1. Okay, then it is a linear equation. So my question is, what is the difference between linear equation and linear polynomial? What's the difference between linear equation and linear polynomial? See the difference here. The polynomial is expressed as 2x plus 4 and here the linear equation is written as 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So any mathematical expression, it contains equal to sign is said to be an equation. Okay, so this is a linear equation, this is a polynomial. Okay, now it is clear for you. And so this is the difference between linear polynomial and linear equation. And linear equation is said to be an equation in which the variable part has a power of 1. Okay, so hope it is clear for you. And now the name of the chapter is pair of linear equation in two variable. We discussed here that is 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation and it has only a single variable. Okay, x is the variable in this case. And what is the equation in two variable means? Here is one equation in two variables means there are two variables in the same equation. I will show it. That is, let 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. There are two variables x and y. So we can say that this is a linear equation with two variables. Okay. Variables in a mathematical expression can be represented by using any of the alphabets in English, right? So this is a linear equation in two variables because there are two variable parts, that is x and y. Okay, hope you understand it clearly. And so what is the general form of linear equation in two variable? Let me show. That is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a comma b comma c are real numbers and also a and b not equal to 0. Okay, so this is the general form of a linear equation in two variable, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 where a b c are real numbers and a and b not equal to 0. What happened if a and b become 0? Let me show. If a and b is equal to 0 in this equation, if a and b are 0, then the first term becomes 0 times x plus 0 times y plus c is equal to 0. Then these two terms become 0. Okay, so a and b should be a real number and it should not be 0. Okay, so this is the condition or this is the general form of a linear equation in two variable. Okay, if you want to find out the values of x and y, there should be at least two linear equations are there. Okay, I will show you. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and this is equation 1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, and this is equation 2. Only by these two equations we can find out value of x and y. By solving these two equations we get the values of x and y. Okay. Now there are two methods for finding the values of x and y. First one is algebraic method. And the second one is graphical method. And in algebraic method there are three more methods for finding values. These are substitution method, elimination method, next one cross multiplication method. Substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. And in your NCERT textbook this graphical method is explained firstly, but I am going to explain this algebraic method first, then after we discuss graphical method. Okay, so now let's find out the values of variable by substitution method. Let me explain by taking an example, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, so what to do? From both this equation we have to find out values of x and y. So first we take equation 2, and from this equation we find a relationship for x. Okay, so what is x in this equation? From this equation we get x is equal to, here 3 is, so we get 3 minus 2y. Okay, so this is x, and this is equation number 3, and substitute equation 3 in equation 1. Okay, so what we get? 7 times, listen carefully, here x is 3 minus 2y, so we have to place this value inside the bracket. Okay, 7 times 3 minus 2y, and the remaining terms are minus 15y is equal to 2. And now this is an equation with a single variable y. Okay, so what's happening? First we have to remove these brackets, that is 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Okay, so what is this? That is 21 minus 14 minus 15. Minus is there, then 14 plus 15 is 29. So 21 minus 29 y is equal to 2. Okay, then on transpose we get 21 minus 2 is equal to 29y. Okay, then what is it? 19 is equal to 29y. From this we get y is equal to 19 divided by 29. So we get y as 19 divided by 29. Okay, is it clear? So what we did? First we find out the relationship for x, that is x is equal to 3 minus 2y. Then substitute this value of x in equation 1, that is 7 times. Don't forget to place this number inside the bracket. Okay, otherwise your answer will be definitely get wrong. So 7 times 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. Then on then by multiplication 21 minus 14y is minus 15y is equal to 2. Then on transpose we get 21 minus 2 is equal to 29y. Then 19 is equal to 29y. Then y is equal to 19 by 29. So this is value of y, and by substituting this value in equation 2, we get value for x. Let me check. That is x plus 2 times 19 by 29 is equal to 3. Okay. Then x plus 19 times 2 is 38 divided by 29 is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 minus 38 by 29. Okay. So what is it? 29 times 3 is 87. So 87 minus 38 divided by 29. Okay. So what is 87 minus 38? It is okay, it is 49. 8 is 49. Then value of x is equal to 49 divided by 29. Okay. This is the value of y, that is 19 by 29 is y, and substituting value of y in equation number 2, we get value of x, that is 49 by 29. So this is the substitution method. Okay, is it clear for you? We'll discuss the continuation in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.